Good morning, everybody. It's Caleb here with Cowboy Custom Lawn Care. Today I'm headed out to do a leaf cleanup, trim some bushes, and bid out a couple of jobs. So we'll see you at the first site. We made it here to the first house, so we're going to be cleaning up this pile of leaves here, along with under here, some in the back around behind this garage, and then this little pile. Down here with the first mow of the season, came to do a leaf cleanup and found all these weeds growing back here. The customer, as you can see, keeps the front sprayed, but they don't spray the back. And so it was already weedy and growing, and it's gonna be going. So I'll check on it here in a couple of weeks and keep going from there. So this might be our first yard that starts up for the season. So I'm here doing the flower bed cleanup I mentioned. Just trimming off these hollies. The customer just wants them a little shorter so she can maintain them herself. They're just a little bit tall for what she likes. So I've already done two. You can see right here. They don't look that good on the inside, but they will grow back over time, and they'll end up looking like this, and just grow, the tops will grow back in like they were before. But from the road, they look pretty good, so it really doesn't look too bad until you get up close. Now I'm gonna get everything over there, finished getting all those piles cleaned up and loaded up, and then we'll show you the final product. So one thing I always do is go back over everywhere that I got anything out in the yard while I was working with the push mower with the bagger on, and just bag up any of the leaves or trash that it picks up. It leaves the yard looking nice and pretty as you can see, along with everything that's been done. It just leaves a really good finish. I just got home. I had to run by Atwood's on the way home and pick up a couple new pairs of gloves. My gloves wore out. So I got home, or got the trailer dumped, then got home, got the trailer put in the shop. And I just wanted to show you my 01 F150 that I bought over the winter time. Got it home, drove it all winter. It's drove fine. This morning, the first day I went to use it, I cleaned it up all over the weekend, got all my tools moved over, pulled up to the shop this morning, got out, went inside, opened up the door, come back out, went to start it, and it wouldn't start. So it's not getting fuel or something. It's either the fuel pump or something else. So I'm gonna have to tear into that and see what's going on, and might be a video coming on the truck. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.